How to add conditional formatting to a Google Sheets drop-down list. When you want a better visualization of your Google Sheets data, conditional formatting is the way to go. Now that school is back in session, you might find yourself having to take on assignment that include spreadsheets. If so, you might want to know about some handy features found in Google Sheets that could seriously impress your teachers and classmates. For example, adding a drop-down list in Google Sheets is a simple trick that can make it exponentially easier for collaborators to fill in data from a list of options. Not only can this save you and your users time, but it can also prevent the users from entering the wrong information into a critical field in your spreadsheet. Also, how to organize your Google Drive, 5 tips and tricks to know. What if, however, you could take these drop-down lists to the next level and make the results of those drop-down selections really stand out with conditional formatting? You can do just that. For example, if a user were to select a particular answer, the resulting cell would automatically have a particular background color. This can be handy if a user were to enter invalid data and the resulting cell could turn red to indicate a problem, or maybe you simply want to associate a certain selection with a particular format. Thanks to conditional formatting, you can do that. Adding this feature to your spreadsheets could go a long way to impressing your teachers. What is conditional formatting? Simply stated, conditional formatting formats a cell based on specific conditions. In this example, I will show you conditional formatting will add a background color to a cell based on the color chosen from the drop down. For instance, if the color red is chosen from the drop down, the background color for that cell will automatically be, you guessed it, red. Also, the best smart notebook right now, top picks for students. Of course, you are not limited to only adding colors to your cells, as you can also use other basic formatting such as bold, italics, underline, strike through, and change the color of the text. Conditional formatting also allows you to apply the formatting based on several conditions such as if a cell is or is not empty, contains or does not contain specific text or formula, text dots or ends with specific text or formula, dates greater than, less than or equal to. You can add a single rule or even multiple rules to your conditional formatting. Let's see how this is done. How to add conditional formatting to Google Sheets. What you shall need, all you shall need for this is a valid Google accounts and web browser to access Google Docs or Google Drive. Before you continue reading, make sure you first read the article about creating drop-down list. In that tutorial, we created a list of the following colors: blue, red, green, yellow, black, orange, purple, white. Now we are going to use conditional formatting to set the cell's background color based on the color chosen.